Hey guys, welcome back to another Two Terrific Sassy Sisters video. As you can tell, I'm by myself today and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bracelet. So what you're going to need are some leather strips. That's what I like to call them. They're basically just strips of leather and you can get them off of Amazon. Then you're going to need some clasps. You basically just use them to hold the leather strips together. Then in here I have my needle nose pliers. Make sure you have adult supervision using those. They can be pretty sharp sometimes. Then I have some of these little rings that I use to hold the bracelets together. Then you have the little clips. And I normally store those in that little container. You're gonna need some tape, some scissors, and here's one of the bracelets that I've made in the past. That's where the clasps are and then the little rings. So now you're gonna take your leather strips. You're gonna pick out 3 of the colors that you like. I think I'm gonna choose the gray, the pink, and this purple. Then you can put the leather strips aside. Next, you're going to cut the length that you like. So I like that. And then you're going to make sure all of your other colors are that same length. You can put them from the top to top and then follow it down. And wherever that ends, you can cut there so that they're the same length. And you'll do that with the gray too. Okay, now that you have all your colors cut to the same length, you can pick out what color clasp you would like. I think I'm going to do this silver today. What you're going to do is line up all the colors together. This part can be a little tricky. So you'll hold them up just like that. You'll take your clasp, put it in, and you're going to squeeze down. And now, if you can see those little gaps, we don't want those little gaps there, because then your leather can come out. So you're gonna take that part, your needle nose plier. I like to hold back so that I don't hurt my fingers. And you clamp down. You do that to each side. So then you have your colors clamped in to your clasp. Okay. So now when you have your leather strips connected to your clasp, you are going to line it up. I like to do it straight in front of me, and then you are going to take your tape, just a little piece. I like to do it long ways first. You're going to put your tape right on your clasp like that, and you're going to stick it right in front of you so that when you braid it won't go anywhere. And then you're going to braid all the way down until about right here. And then you'll cut. Okay, so now that you have it taped down, you're going to braid it. And if you don't know how to braid, what you're going to do is you're going to take the far left piece and bring it over to the middle one so that the one that was in the middle is on the left side. The one that's on the right side, you're going to move to the middle. So you're going to go left, right, and every time you're going to flip it to the middle. And then if you want to do it faster, you start higher, and you move that one to the middle, then you move that one to the middle, and you can start doing it faster so then you can see it starts to make a braid. That's how you make a braid. Okay, so now that you're done braiding, this is what it should look like. And then you're going to cut it about as long as that other one. So about right there. And if it becomes unbraided, that's okay. Then you're going to take your clasp and grab the same one that you grabbed earlier. And if it came unbraided, that's okay. You can just unbraid it quickly. And then I like to kind of bunch it together. If one piece is a little longer, that's okay. You can just cut it. You're going to do the same thing that you did on the top. Just kind of stick it in there and then press down. And if that part's about to come out, I have a tool in here where you can just push it back in. This is kind of sharp, so you guys want to be careful. Just like that. And then you push it back down with your needle nose pliers. Okay, so now you have the main part of your bracelet done. Then you have to get your rings out. And I have a bunch of different sizes. Here's like a small, and then a little bit bigger, medium, and large. I like to use this one that's a little bit bigger than the small. Sometimes it can be hard to get some out, so I kind of have to. So now that you've grabbed your ring, then you're going to take one end of it and slide it into this little hole. Sometimes it can be a little tricky. Once you have that, you're going to grab your clip okay, that was a little hard. That's okay. Then you're going to take the end of your ring and put it on the end of your clip. And you're going to slide it on there. Next, you're going to take your needle nose pliers and you're going to push them both together on the ring, just like that. Then you have that connected. Then you can take your tape off. Then now you have a bracelet. And you can take the end of your clip and put it onto the little hole over here. And then you can have the bracelet. Just like that. Thanks for watching my tutorial on how to make a bracelet. I think this one turned out really good. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below. Bye!